Hello, my name is Richard Westermann, a specialist in hip and knee joint replacement surgery at the Meriden Hospital here in Coventry. It is always so exciting to see the dramatic change I can make to an individual's quality of life by performing a joint replacement operation. I enjoy obsessively planning and implanting a joint replacement to restore normal anatomy and function. The recent advance of the Mako robotic assistant enables me to now order a CT scan to create a 3D model of your affected joint, plan how I want to position that joint replacement, and then place the implants during the operation exactly where I planned. Yet it still allows me the flexibility during the operation to adjust the plan as much as I need and optimize the position further. It enables me to get my patients back on their feet quicker and in less pain with maximum levels of precision. This is a big leap forward in joint replacement surgery at the Meriden Hospital, when combined with the fantastic facilities we have here for providing care and rehabilitation to maximise your recovery. A joint replacement operation can usually be arranged within 4 weeks of an appointment in my outpatient clinic. The team here work hard to get you safely mobilising the same day as your operation, and you will be able to safely walk up and down stairs before leaving the hospital, usually staying with us for 1 to 2 nights. If you'd like to come and see me for a consultation, then do contact the Meriden Hospital directly.